Looking to upgrade your kitchen with a pressure cooker that's fast, safe, and built for everyday home cooking? Today, we're counting down the top 5 best pressure cookers for home chosen for performance, durability, and real user value. Let's jump straight into the list and find the perfect one for your kitchen. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's dive in. Number 1. Instant Pot Pressure Cooker for Home. The Instant Pot Pressure Cooker is one of those kitchen tools that truly delivers. It's a multifunctional appliance designed for busy families, home cooks, and anyone who wants consistent, reliable meals without standing over the stove for hours. Whether you're meal prepping for the week, cooking for your kids, or whipping up something quick after work, this is built to fit right into your lifestyle. The Instant Pot has a clean, modern look with a stainless steel build that feels solid and long-lasting. Even though it's packed with functions, it stays compact enough for most countertops. The digital control panel is simple to read, and the one-touch buttons make it extremely beginner-friendly. Everything about the usability is designed for convenience, from the sturdy lid to the easy-to-clean inner pot. Performance is the real highlight. You get pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing, steaming, rice cooking, yogurt making all in one device. The heating system is powerful and consistent, helping meals cook evenly every time. It's perfect for home kitchens, office meal prep, dorm rooms, RV travel, or anywhere you want fast, reliable cooking. Pros include excellent versatility, strong build quality, easy operation, and dependable results. If there's any inconvenience, it's that there can be a small learning curve for first-time users, and the lid takes a bit of space when opened, but nothing that affects performance. If you want a kitchen upgrade that genuinely saves time and effort, the Instant Pot is a smart choice. See the description for more details. Number 2. Nuwave Pressure Cooker for Home. The Nuwave Pressure Cooker is one of those appliances that truly earns its spot on the counter. This is a versatile, compact cooker designed for busy families, home chefs, or anyone who wants delicious meals without spending hours in the kitchen. The design is clean and modern, with a sturdy build and a user-friendly control panel that makes it simple to switch between functions. It's surprisingly compact for the power it delivers, and the overall construction feels solid and reliable, perfect for everyday use in the home, office kitchen, dorm room, or even RV travel. Performance is where the Nuwave pressure cooker really shines. It cooks food quickly while locking in flavor and moisture, whether you're making rice, soups, stews, meats, or even healthy steamed dishes. The presets are easy to understand, the display is clear, and the cooking results are consistent. You get tender meats, evenly cooked grains, and rich flavors with minimal effort. As for the pros, it's versatile, energy efficient, easy to clean, and offers steady, dependable performance. The safety features are well designed, giving you confidence while cooking. A small inconvenience is it takes a little time to learn all the functions, and like most pressure cookers, releasing steam can be loud. But once you get used to it, it becomes part of your routine. Personally, I think the Nuwave pressure cooker is a strong choice for anyone wanting convenience, speed, and better tasting meals at home. See the description for more details. Number 3. COMFEE Pressure Cooker for Home. The COMFEE pressure cooker is one of the most convenient tools you can bring into your kitchen. It's designed for busy families, home cooks, and anyone who wants fast, reliable meals without the hassle. Whether you're cooking at home, meal prepping for the week, or even making quick dishes in an office break room, this cooker is built to keep things easy. Right away, the design stands out. It's compact enough for small countertops, yet solidly built with a durable, modern finish that feels premium. The control panel is clear and user-friendly, making it easy for beginners and experienced cooks alike. You get versatility with multiple cooking modes: pressure cooking, slow cooking, sauté, steaming, and more, so one appliance can replace several others in the kitchen. Performance is where the COMFEE pressure cooker shines. It heats quickly, cooks evenly, and seals in flavor while keeping everything tender and juicy. The lid mechanism is smooth and safe, and the inner pot is easy to clean, which makes daily use stress-free. Whether you're making soups, rice, pasta, meats, or desserts, the results are consistently satisfying. Pros include the multifunction versatility, simple controls, fast cooking performance, solid build quality, and easy cleanup. A small inconvenience is that first-time users might need a moment to learn the cooking presets, and the unit can feel slightly bulky if you have very limited storage space. Personally, I think the COMFEE pressure cooker delivers convenience, reliability, and everyday comfort for home cooking. If you want an appliance that truly makes life easier, this one is worth checking out. See the description for more details. Number 4. NutriChef Pressure Cooker for Home. The NutriChef Pressure Cooker is designed exactly for that. This is a modern, all-in-one kitchen appliance built for busy families, meal prep lovers, and anyone who wants delicious results without spending hours in the kitchen. Right out of the box, the cooker feels solid and well-built. It has a compact, space-saving design that fits comfortably on a countertop, and the polished stainless steel exterior gives it a clean, modern look. The control panel is simple to understand, with clear buttons and a bright display, making it easy even for beginners. It's versatile enough for home kitchens, dorm rooms, small apartments, or even office meal prep. In terms of performance, NutriChef delivers reliable cooking power with consistent heat distribution. It locks in moisture and flavor quickly, helping you cook stews, soups, rice, meat, veggies, and even desserts in a fraction of the usual time. The built-in safety mechanisms, auto shut-off, and secure lid system give peace of mind while cooking. And since it's designed for quiet operation, it won't disturb the home environment. The benefits are clear, faster meals, better taste, and hands-free convenience. Cleanup is also straightforward thanks to the non-stick, easy-wash interior. It's perfect for everyday cooking, meal prepping, or making large batches for family gatherings. Pros include its strong build quality, fast cooking, user-friendly controls, multiple preset modes, and excellent versatility. A small inconvenience is the learning curve for first-time pressure cooker users, and it takes a bit of counter space when storing. If you're looking for a dependable cooker that simplifies your entire kitchen routine, the NutriChef pressure cooker is a great choice. See the description for more details. Number 5. Midea Pressure Cooker for Home. The Midea pressure cooker is one of the most convenient options for home use. It's designed for busy families, home chefs, and anyone who wants great results without spending hours in the kitchen. Right out of the box, the Midea cooker feels solid and well-built. It has a sleek, compact design that fits comfortably on most countertops, and the control panel is simple and clear, perfect for beginners or experienced cooks. The sturdy lid, easy grip handles, and well-balanced weight give it a premium touch. What really stands out is the versatility. You can slow cook, steam, sauté, pressure cook, warm, and more all in one unit. The internal heating system delivers consistent performance, ensuring food cooks evenly every time. The display is bright and easy to read, and the preset programs make cooking everything from rice to soups to tender meats incredibly simple. Whether you're using it at home, in a small office kitchen, or even for meal prep during travel, it adapts to your routine effortlessly. Users will appreciate the quiet operation, dependable safety features, and the durable non-stick inner pot that's easy to clean. It's great for saving time, cutting down on extra dishes, and keeping meals flavorful. Pros include its versatile functions, user-friendly controls, consistent performance, durable build, easy cleaning. A small inconvenience is the learning curve for first-time pressure cooker users, and the lid can feel a bit bulky for smaller kitchens. Personally, I think the Midea pressure cooker delivers a dependable, hassle-free cooking experience. See the description for more details. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.